everyone, I'm Shalaka Pawar and you are watching the True Gourmand. And in today's episode, I'm going to show one of my favorite fish starters, fish Koliwada. Well, a lot of people also call it fish Amritsari. The only difference is that Amritsari has a little less gram flour and fish Koliwada has more. Fish Koliwada is actually a name that's more famous in Mumbai, and because I'm from Mumbai, I'm going to make it Mumbai style fish Koliwada. Now what I've done is I've taken Indian Basa here. You can take regular Basa, you can even take Indian salmon, that's Rawas for this dish. I have cut them into square shaped pieces and then I press them between my palms just so that I remove any excess water from this fish. Now the first thing that we're going to do is do the first marination, and for this I'm going to add some Hing. Now this is important to remove any kind of fishy smell that this fish may have. Then I'm going to add juice of half a lime, a little bit of haldi, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, add a little bit of salt as per taste, and then what we're going to do is mix this well in this marinade and keep this aside for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now my fish has been marinating for 15 to 20 minutes in the first marination. We are now going to start the second marination, for which we need all these ingredients. So basically there is red chili powder, then we have Garam Masala, we have some Ajwain. This is very important in fish Koliwada or fish Amritsari. Then we have some Chaat Masala, we have some gram flour, that's besan, and rice flour for some added crispiness. And then we're going to add some vinegar as well as mustard oil to it. So I'm just going to add all of this to my marinade, and then I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. I know we've added lime juice already, but a bit of vinegar will work too. And then this is mustard oil, not a lot, I'm just going to add a bit of it. Brings out the flavors really well, and don't worry, it's not going to smell of mustard oil. And now I'm just going to mix this well in the second marinade. I'm gonna now fry it crispy and nice. Now on almost medium to high flame, not completely high flame, but medium to high flame, I'm gonna start adding my fish tikkas in here. And I'll fry them till they are golden brown. Now look how beautifully golden brown my fish Koliwada has become. Just gonna take this out on a nice paper towel so that I can remove the excess oil, like so. More. As you take these out, you need to sprinkle this with some red chili powder and some nice chaat masala, good old chaat masala. Just mix this well. Amazing fish Koliwada is ready. Serve it hot with green chutney and onions, and can't wait to dig in. Hope you'll like this recipe. This is one of the simplest yet one of the tastiest recipes that you'll ever make, especially if you're a fish lover. So please do try this at home and let me know in the comment section how it was. Do subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page, and follow me on Instagram. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you guys in the next episode of True Gourmand. Bye bye.